Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will create another new character design. I really like this series. This will be character number 3, and before sitting down and getting ready to draw, I really had no idea what to draw. Just when I pressed play, ideas ran through my mind, and I was thinking of drawing a Saiyan-like warrior with a full golden armor, long hair, and a huge sword. Also full body, and I really want to point out that I didn't look at any reference. I drew all of this completely from the mind, and that's also the goal of this series. Using my imagination and creativity only, and just create new character designs. Now let's get right into the drawing process. Like the video, subscribe if you are new, and I see you in the end. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then a new character is born. I think this looks amazing. It was really fun to draw this, I really enjoyed it, and I think the same type character with long hair, a full golden armor, and a long sword looks badass. This is not Super Saiyan 3, just long hair, and I'm not even sure if this is a Saiyan. But the design is amazing, and now you can decide what type of a character this is, and also give me some ideas for the name. Now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will upload this drawing uncut and on full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps easy if you want to draw these drawings yourself. So subscribe to my real-time channel as well. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, and for commissions, message me on Instagram or email. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video as well. All the links down below in the info box, including the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I see you on the next